getting some more breaking news. This is regarding Arvind Kejriwal's parliamentary entry through the Rajya Sabha, the possibility of his entry to the parliament through Rajya Sabha. Now, we're learning that Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjeev Arora has been fielded for by-polls, and he will be contesting the by-polls from the Ludhiana West constituency. As per sources, Delhi MPs were asked to vacate their Rajya Sabha seat, but all the Delhi MPs declined. And meanwhile, amid speculations of Arvind Kejriwal entering the parliament through the Rajya Sabha route, Aam Aadmi Party has denied that Kejriwal will not be taking the Rajya Sabha route.
Well, you see, as far as the entire controversy is concerned, you see, first of all, the sources were revealing that Arvind Kejriwal could opt to go to Rajya Sabha because several members within the party wanted him to remain in the politics and fight and go to Rajya Sabha from the state of Punjab. Sources also told our network that, Arvind Kejriwal had approached other members from Delhi itself to go to Rajya Sabha, but those talks did not happen. But now what we are getting to know is that Arvind Kejriwal could go to Rajya Sabha from the state of Punjab, and what we are also getting to know is that Sanjeev Arora will be the one who will be vacating the seat for Arvind Kejriwal, and perhaps it seems like that is why Sanjeev Arora has been nominated as a candidate from Ludhiana West for by-elections in the state of Punjab. However, you see, the party sources have clearly denied any such kind of report, and they have been saying that Arvind Kejriwal will not be going to Rajya Sabha from Punjab. But however, there is a high possibility that the party does not want that all these things should be in public domain at such a point of time when party is reorganizing its structure. So that's why the party has as of now denied such kind of claims that Kejriwal is going to Rajya Sabha. But yes, we have been seeing that the kind of the actions that are taking place, or the kind of the developments that are unfolding in the state of Punjab, it clearly indicates that there is a high possibility that Kejriwal could opt to go to Rajya Sabha from the state of Punjab. Back to you.